Hi, I'm Gina-Chapman Murphy with Home Solutions by Classic. During this series, we hope to give you the most innovative and exciting ideas in design. Stay tuned to hear from today's expert. Today we have Jon Parlier with us. He's our operations manager over fire restoration and water mitigation. Jon, tell us a little bit about what fire restoration and water mitigation actually is as a service.
So Classic Disaster Response, which is our kind of offshoot of our construction company. So we offer services to the tri-state, Huntington, Kentucky, and Ohio. We offer services that would include if you have water damage in your home, we can come out and take care of the dry out or mitigation, and we can help move right into the repair side of it in our construction side. So we offer both sides of, well, really a kind of a total package in, water damage in your home, drying it out, and then pushing right into the repair side of it. So one-stop shop.
One-stop shop. So that's what makes Classic, I think, a step above the rest, right?
Yeah, so we offer a lot of different things, HVAC, plumbing, kitchen and baths, and mitigation, everything from that. So we do mold remediation. So again, water damage in your home, we come in, dry it out, assess everything, and we're doing things in a construction manner. A lot of companies out here just get in, grip and rip, which causes the construction to be delayed and problems with that. But with us having the experience on the construction side, the mitigation starts, and then we can move right into it in a more timely manner.
So how does that work? Something happens in my house, I have a disaster, what do I do? Who do I call? When can I call?
So there's a couple different options there. Most of the time people carry insurance. When they're carrying insurance, you want to reach out to your insurance carrier first. And at that point, you'll get a claim number. So assessing the damage, really there's a couple little tips that I would always tell customers or people. If you've got water damage, you need to get your water shut off. So try to find that shut off, turn it off, and then your first response would be to, I would say, call Classic Disaster Response right off the beginning. But get a hold of your insurance company, let them know so they can start the claim process. When the claim process is, they'll give you a claim number, and then you reach right out to Classic Disaster Response, and then I send people out there directly. We'll assess everything, work with the adjuster, get your home dried out, and pushing towards the construction side, which is getting you back in your home quickly, which is the main thing.
So the goal is to get people back in their house as quick as possible, and we have so many options to do that.
Yeah.
As you mentioned, kitchen and bath, what we do on this side. I know there are other parts to your job, so explain a little bit about more what you do with the company and kind of how you've brought the restoration and mitigation into Classic's world.
Yeah, so I've got about 20 years experience on the mitigation and construction side. Basing off my early was mitigation, cat work, everything like that. So disasters from floods all across the United States. So we take care of the mitigation. So I run the mitigation side. Also, I run the day-to-day with the construction side. Mold remediation, we do a lot of different program work. So I just kind of oversee the day-to-day.
So how does someone get a hold of you? If there's a problem, you specifically, or you as a response team, how do they get a hold of you? What's the information?
Yeah, so you can go on our website. There's a direct line for that, or you can just call our number, which is the old-fashioned way, and that's 304-522-1016.
And I think it's important to also mention that we're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can always call and someone will always answer the phone.
Correct, yes. So emergency service, we've got actually people that work for the company that actually answer. It's not a call service. So if you call in, you'll get someone from our company and they'll dispatch out our mitigation specialist immediately.
So it's important to call immediately. If something goes wrong, you'll give them the next steps that they need to do.
Yep.
And what happens next is we will take care of their problem for them.
Yeah, so 3 o'clock in the morning, all of a sudden you hear water flowing in your house. Again, find that shut off. At that point, sometimes you can't get a hold of your insurance company. At that point, let us be the guide for you. Call us, we can get out there, assess everything, because at the end of the day, it is your property. You still have to protect it, so it's better to get us out there, the professionals, to take care of that, and then we can work with your insurance to make sure everything is good to go.
Now, is there any other advice you would want to give to anybody? I know that we've had a challenge getting our name out there. So is there any other information you would want to give to get our name out there, or anything that you can give clients, ideas that they can get a hold of us, anything else you want to tell them?
Yeah, so the biggest thing that we've that hurdle is that Class Construction's been in 40 plus years in the construction, the best in the business. But when it comes to the mitigation, they don't understand that we're actually the biggest in the tri-state, the most equipment. We handle, we work with Marshall University, we work with large clients. We can get equipment to you quickly. We don't have to have equipment brought in like some other companies do. Our equipment is right here. We can get to you from commercial to residential. We can handle the small to big projects, no problem.
So it's just a phone call and we're there.
Phone call away.
Awesome.
304-522-1016.
Well, thank you so much for taking your time being with us today. I know you're super busy and we really appreciate. Thanks for tuning into Home Solutions, and we'll see you next time.